Marketplace.
Where are we going now?
To the marketplace.
The marketplace. This is part 2 of our adventures in Ikea. Oh my gosh, you almost knocked the phone out of my hand. Going down steps. Going down steps is always a fun time. Emily, you videotape. You videotape. No, I think I'm gonna hit the viewers. Hey, look.
How do you feel about Ikea this morning, fine young ma'am? How do you feel about Ikea?
I love it. It feels like Disney World.
Really?
All right.
Considering that the Ikea helpers said that they were going to slap your children and their friends?
No, they were trying to decide which of them would slap you. Not, they were.
All right, would you like a hairbrush?
No. 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 A hairbrush.
Have a nice day.
What is this? What
Bavara.
is Bavara? Oh, I think they hold bags of
Haruta.
Haruta. They just took Look, here's some more candles. Let's look at the candles. Look at the pretty candles. Let's look at the candles. I watch you break that glass. I'm serious, watch you break that glass.
Oh, wait.
Oh, wiggle. Yeah. Oh, wiggle. Yeah. I'm see, I'm not knowing it.
Oh, how long have you been there?
Yeah. Okay, ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
This is something that I found in a picture on Facebook. How long have you been there?
For hours.
I know people with YouTube. We are
Shortcut to textiles and rugs. We finally found one of the shortcuts.
Finally. See, I know people with YouTube. We aren't very that funny.
Boy!
But we have nothing better to do, so that's what we're going to. Oh, thanks for blinding the people of YouTube. Blinding the people of the earth. Oh, yeah. Rub up against a rug. You're rubbing up against a rug.
If someone stapled someone's clothes to the wall, they could see their strap.
Smell. Ooh. I like this one better. You okay?
I need tissue. I'm thirsty.
You got ice cream and a tissue.
All right.
Lucky for you, I have tissue in my pocket because I'm special like that. Emily,
I'm 16 and I know it.
I have tissue in my pocket. There you go. Let's watch Emily blow her nose. Let's follow her then. How do you feel knowing that everyone on YouTube in the world just saw you blow your nose? He's my heart, don't sound.
Where do I put the tissue?
In your pants.
Ew.
It's